Do you want to make over $1,000 in a single day with minimal effort? Yeah, that's easy. Just by writing articles, you can earn this amount just in a day. Worried now? Relax, you won't be writing anything, but AI will do this job for you. Let me show you how it's done. Hey there, welcome to How to Easy Quick. In today's video, I'll be showing you an incredibly simple way to make $1,000 in just one day. It's easier than you think, and you don't need to be a writer at all. Let's start with the first step. Open Google News. Here you'll find articles on all kinds of topics, whether it's health, technology, or something else. For this example, let's say you go for something from the health section. Find an article you like, open it, and then simply copy it. Don't worry, we'll make sure it's unique once we're done. Now, head over to Quillbot.com. This tool is your best friend when it comes to rewriting content while avoiding any copyright issues. All you need to do is paste the article into Quillbot, and then hit the paraphrase button here. The tool will change the wording and give you a fresh version of the article, keeping the original meaning intact. Once it's done, copy the new version of your article and save it for the next step. Now, the fun part, getting paid. Go to AARP.org. They pay up to $2 per word for articles you submit. That means, for a 500-word article, you could make up to $1,000. And the best part is, it's not just health topics you can write about. You can submit articles on any subject, so feel free to explore other categories that interest you. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can easily make $1,000 in one day. If this money-making method was helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.